Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the extension and main number. Start now. Open the phone app and type the main number. If you need an automated pause, insert a comma for a 2-second pause. If you want to wait for a prompt, use a semicolon to force a manual send. Save as a contact if you'll call often, because once stored you can edit the number to append commas or semicolons. This makes dialing automatic and prevents repeated manual steps. Once connected to the main system, listen for the prompt asking for the extension. Use the keypad to type the extension. If audio quality is low, switch to speaker to ensure tones register. If you stored the number with a semicolon, your iPhone pauses and waits. When you hear the prompt, tap the blue send button that appears to transmit the extension. Make sure to wait for the system's acknowledgement so you don't get routed incorrectly. After the extension connects, handle the call as usual and hang up when finished. If the system rejects the tones, try again, but add extra commas to increase pause length or dial the main number, then manually enter the extension after you hear the prompt. Make sure your carrier supports DTMF touchtone signaling. If not, switch networks or contact support. If issues persist, use speakerphone and ensure volume is high enough for the system to detect the tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.